Install is for your solar dry van install. The ideal measurement needs to be 10 feet from the end of the trailer. Center of these two rivet lines. The reason why we measure 10 feet is because the ideal rear tire should be underneath the lining. But these axles do slide forward and back. So this is why we do the measurement of 10 feet. From the end of the trailer to over here. Once you find your marking, you can install on the top channel. The door tag will have to be installed on the same side of your solar panel device. If we install on the right side, the door sensor will have to be on the right side of the door. If you install on the left side, the door sensor will be on the left side. Towards the end of the trailer. Once you have the idea area that you'll be installing, you're going to peel white tape off. From moving, we can drill the other holes and also to secure the device for falling during the drilling process.